the digestive system. The aim of this podcast is to be able to recognise the organs in the human digestive system and to explain some of their functions. Let's start off here with a simplified diagram of the human digestive system, and we have the mouth at the top end, and this is where mechanical digestion occurs, say through the action of teeth chopping up all your food, and chemical digestion as well. This is where salivary glands release salivary amylase to break down carbohydrates into sugars such as glucose. The next part of the digestive tract is the esophagus, sometimes known as the gullet, and this is where essentially a ring of a tube of muscle, smooth muscle, which can contract to induce peristalsis, and this helps to push your food down into your stomach. The stomach is a muscular bag which is made up of many different tissues, including muscular tissue, glandular tissue and epithelial tissue. The stomach can secrete protease enzymes such as pepsin, and these will help to digest proteins into amino acids. The correct pH for the stomach is around pH 1 to 2, where these enzymes work at their optimum levels. Further down, the pancreas releases additional enzymes such as amylase, protease and lipase, and these help to break down carbohydrates, proteins and lipids. One of the functioning roles of the liver is to produce bile, and this can be stored in the gallbladder as shown here. More about bile a bit later on. The next part of the digestive tract is the small intestine, also known as the ileum, and this is where you have absorption of nutrients into the bloodstream. The appendix is labelled as shown, and the next part is the large intestine. The large intestine is responsible for absorbing water, and if this did not occur, you would constantly have diarrhea. Towards the end of the digestive tract, we have the rectum. This is where undigested food is stored as feces and is released via the anus through a process known as egestion, as can be seen here. To finish this short podcast, it's worth mentioning about bile. It is not an enzyme, so it does not digest your food. What it does do is it helps to neutralize stomach acid, as the enzymes released by the pancreas, as shown here in this diagram, need to work at different pH levels to those found in the stomach. To neutralize stomach acid, bile must be alkaline. Bile's second role is to emulsify lipids. What this essentially means is that lipids are split up, they are not digested, they are split up, giving them a larger surface area. This will help lipase to break down the lipids into fatty acids and glycerol much more efficiently. Thank you for watching.